Hey guys, so today, as you can tell by the title, is slime. We're going to try to make slime. Is it going to work? I really don't know, but we're going to try it. A little haul real quick. This is what I bought to try to make slime. Just basic borax. I already made the mixture. Don't spill that, Skylar. I already made the mixture. It is half a cup of water to a teaspoon of borax. I'm not really sure if that's going to be enough or if all slime videos require this. It is just literally what I got off YouTube or Google. And then I bought this little like ketchup thing to squirt it with. That sounds dirty. Just some container. Yep, some containers to mix it with, or in, should I say, and let it sit so it doesn't dry out. 2 things of glue. No idea if that's going to be enough. We've literally never made this before. And then just some basic food coloring. Once again, don't know if any of this is right. So I'm going to take you along the steps that we do. I do have Drew and Tashina here, which you will see. I have this on a bag just in case we make a mess. So, yeah, I'm excited. Okay, so give me the glue. Firstly, I look like trash. But the first step is to pour glue. And then the only other step is to pour in the borax mixture to make it. So, Skylar, you can pour the glue. Pour some glue in there.
I love a good family moment.
Keep going.
Stop.
So let's start with that. And then just... Oh, that's probably way too much. I think you're supposed to use a spatula. I'm just going to use... Hold on. I think... Drew. Okay, stop for a second. Let mommy do it for a minute.
I'm sorry.
I think you're supposed to use like a spatula or something else, but I don't even, is this right? Is this like...
I would think that's slime. Yeah.
I mean, does that look like slime to you?
Here, I'm gonna help you.
DIY slime.
Okay, let me try it. Watch out.
Here.
Move. I'm gonna pick it up.
Does it feel like slime?
Oh my god, it's chunky. Ew, no. What is this? What did I do wrong? I don't know what to do.
Let Drew certify it.
B, this is not slime. It's not supposed to look like this. Do I need more? Is there supposed to be water or anything?
We did not try. We did not.
We should have read
Research.
ingredients.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Mama, I am not holding that.
I wouldn't hold it either. B, what?
But
What do I do?
I don't know.
I don't know what to do.
let me show you something. Ew.
I don't think this
let me
is
try.
supposed to look like...
Let me try.
Okay, hold on, Sky. I don't want you to... It's like stiff AF. Did I add too much activator?
I don't know.
Like, it's like...
Ew.
Let's see. We have
It's not clicky! Okay, so it's like not making a mess anymore, which is like what slime is supposed to do. It's not supposed to like slime on your fingers, but I'm pretty sure it's not supposed to tear at all. So,
Drew,
you like my ghetto lighting over here as well, by the way?
Yes, I was about
Basic
to
ass
mention that.
lamp.
Here's the macas.
So it's
Hey, I got all the
I
macas
don't
for
know what it
you.
is. So
Mom,
we
the
should
macas
stop
are right
this
here.
and Google what to do. Alright, so we are actually using a spatula this time. And there was already a little bit of borax in there from the last time.
Hey guys,
You're
look.
methodically slow.
I'm making
This
slime.
is the slime from our second attempt.
Oh my god, how did you
We're
make
doing
this?
something very wrong. It's all over my hands. I don't know what we're doing wrong.
Watch.
But
I'm trying to make
okay.
a ball with it.
So I'm just going to add some borax. Very little at a time since we've messed it up so many times by now. I'm not really sure
Look, guys,
what else to try once we stop here.
it's a
People
guy.
told me it was such bad lighting.
Rabbit. It's a guy ferret.
We're on a budget.
Literally.
Here, I'm done. You can play it.
It's not good slime, but I guess I wouldn't say that it's horrible slime. I can't hear anything, Skylar.
So you're undone.
Bless me.
Bless your little soul.
Okay, now pick that up. Yep, pick it up. With your hands. Ooh, that's sticky.
Let me try.
And just start kneading it.
Let me try.
Let Drew, hold on, please. No, B, you gotta like stretch it out and put it back together.
I'm trying.
I want to get it over my hands.
I don't need you to get it all over your hands. We are doing something so wrong. I don't understand.
So confused.
We're doing what the video said. This isn't DIY slime, this is DIY fail slime. We're doing what the videos actually said, though. That's the worst part. Being a bad cameraman over here. This is attempt number 1, which is, everybody listen. Shoot ball, hold on. Drew, for a second.
Quit.
Skylar!
Oh my goodness.
I cannot stop. It's just paper.
You can quit. Yeah, a little silent.
It's really hard to do on a moving surface. But anyway, yeah, this isn't bad.
Oh, shit.
I was hoping I was going to be like a master slime maker, but
Who's
not.
that one girl that has like a full channel of...
Something like Katrina or Corinna. I don't know her name.
I don't know her name either. I'm shook it.
Drew. Okay. What am I supposed to look like? I don't know. I never made some. Instagram people make it look cool. It's tiring, actually.
One of those.
I'm not. Okay, so that's like really like liquidy, so guess I'll just add some more of that. It looks like purple pink. Oh, it does. It's not even red, it's pink. I don't know how to do this. I guess just add a little bit more of this. Question mark, question mark. Okay. Oh, that looks a little bit better. Yeah, getting somewhere maybe. That's what it's supposed to look like, right? I think so. All I feel like I'm in is elementary school again. That doesn't look very right.
Saute that chicken.
Is this right?
Me, I don't know. I don't watch slime making videos.
I don't either, but I don't want to pick it up if it's not right. Okay, we'll just add literally just like a beep. Yeah, okay. It's like getting stiff. This is hard as hell. Okay, yep. Oh my god. Something's not right. There's no way that this is right. Okay, and then then you need it. Okay.
Hey, check that slime, Mom.
The phone's not sideways. Tell me you did not have it like that the whole time.
Sheena, did you been playing with this one?
Two kids.
I know, but did you have it like that the whole time?
No, not the entire time.
Oh my god. I will
Hey,
cry.
Sheena,
What?
is this one clean?
I don't know. I think so.
Yeah, but you're not gonna touch it because your hands aren't. This isn't right.
Mm-mm. I know.
I don't know what to do.
Too much.
watching this video, you may have been on YouTube trying to find a good slime recipe to use or make slime that other people have made. This was not the video to show you anything. We failed. I'm going to take you through the 4 slimes that we have right here. We failed 100%. I have no idea how to make this stuff. I'm probably not even going to attempt it again. I will buy slime from Etsy from people that make it because clearly they have a knack for making slime. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I actually accidentally deleted a clip that was 5 minutes long, so that was a good chunk of it, but yeah, I guess you did get the best. You guys got some ASMR with this one right here. So I'm going to take you through, it's been, I want to say like 2, maybe 3 hours since we did these, so they have been sitting. They're not that great, but I'm going to show you anyway just so you can get a good idea of what, I don't know, what we did wrong, I guess. This is the first one. This one went completely wrong. It's chunky. I'm not even gonna pick it up because it's stuck. But yeah, it's chunky, and I over lotioned this one and then just literally purposely messed it up over and over again because I just didn't really care. So yeah, if that gives you an idea, that's that one. This pink one was in the last clip that you saw, which was our, I think, last one that we attempted. It's not the worst. It isn't the worst. It's got some lotion down there. They're all still very stiff, and they don't click. But yeah, it could, sorry, I'm doing this one-handed. It could definitely be worse of a slime. Very lotiony, but yeah, it's not that bad. I gotta hurry, my little ones are getting upset. And then the last 2, move these real quick, is this one and this one. This one ended up being like putty. It's just literally like putty, like it just straight like will rip. So yeah, then there's this little blue one. And this one is very sticky. It's not super good, but it's probably the closest to actual slime that we got. That slime's not supposed to do that, so I just took it off. Anyway, so yeah, that's slime. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know that it is like ghetto and we just have a basic lamp and stuff. But the exciting news is, if you are a true fan of mine and you did watch through this, I am actually ordering a DSLR camera in about a month, maybe less. And so you will have high quality videos. I'm only going to use that camera sometimes for my videos because it's mostly for my pictures. But it is still going to be exciting, and you guys, if you're on my Instagram and stuff, you guys will see some great pictures. I'm also thinking about getting a ring light, so if you guys have any, if you guys have any recommendations on, you should just make slime to pick stuff up, by the way. On any recommendations on what ring light I should get, go ahead and let me know down below. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. This was something to try and do something new for my channel, and I kind of failed, and I'm so sorry. But I hope you guys enjoyed, and I hope you had a terrific day.